Hey folks, Adam here from 911 Studios, and you know that I'm a music guy. And today I get to tell you all about the ENACFIRE E90. This is the E90 Extreme High Performance Earbuds, and I can't wait to tell you about them. So you know I love music, everything from my guitar right here, my Alice's Restaurant Arlo Guthrie album right there. I've got a display of records on the wall. Easy Rider, one of the greatest soundtracks of any movie ever made, the Blues Brothers. I love music and I love quality sound and performance. So today we're looking at ENACFIRE, and I was gifted these earbuds. I just looked them up on Amazon, and I gotta tell you what, these things are incredible. I thought the price literally was going to be 3 times what they actually are. So a great set of earbuds. Let me see if I can get that on screen without too much glare. They're absolutely phenomenal. So what is so great about them? It's the high performance bass in these bad boys that just sounds fantastic. The noise canceling is incredible. They pair super simply. If you have them in the case, pull them out of the case, they connect to Bluetooth, and you're good to go. These things are fantastic. 48 hours of playtime, 5 charges in the case, and 8 hours of continuous play just on the buds themselves. So 48 hours, you can put it in the case and get enough juice to play these things for 2 days straight. But I'll tell you what, if you're listening for 2 days straight, take a nap. Whatever you're doing, stop listening to earbuds after 8 hours and go walk around or something, who knows. So anyway, folks, these are absolutely phenomenal. It's a great brand and a great company, ENACFIRE. So they do come with your instructions. They do have everything that you'll ever need here. They do have the downloadable information as well. They come with a charging case, a Type-C cable, additional free the little tips on them, so you can change those out and get the right size for you. They come with 3 complete sets. Everything that you need. And you can answer calls, make calls. The sound quality is fantastic. I can't tell you enough. So let me go through this. It comes with a manual, a warranty card, a USB Type-C cable, 2 earbuds, and 3 ear tips. I guess they're called ear tips. The charging case does have an LED on the front, which is kind of hard to see in the glare here, but a series of lights that show you how much charge is available on it, the charging port, multifunction buttons, charging pins, ear LEDs, and microphone on the buds themselves. So it is nice. If you haven't had wireless earbuds before, let me tell you a little bit about them. Basically, you just charge the case. You charge the case with your USB, and then you never have to plug the earbuds in. You just put these in the case. When you open the case, it automatically pairs with your phone, your iPhone or Apple device, and they fit just fantastically in your ear. I was putting in the wrong ear because I wasn't paying attention. But these things are absolutely amazing. And I just can't tell you enough about the sound quality. And yeah, you pretty much can tap and control them, just like, you know, the $600 earbuds. These things are doing the same thing. They look probably even better. They're stylish, sophisticated, chic, and fantastic. And yeah, they connect so easily to your wireless device, to your device. So you're gonna wanna pick these up today. You're gonna wanna order today. And let me see if there's anything else. It says, scan the QR code on the back for the quick guide. And yeah, just straightforward. Bluetooth 5.0, charging input is 5 volts, 400 mAh battery case, and the working distance is about 33 feet. So you can go a solid 10 meters away, and you're still getting great sound. You can put your phone down, walk around the house, do some vacuuming, do some cleaning, do a workout, and you don't have to keep your phone on you all the time, which is fantastic. Bluetooth, speaker and impedance. I always say that word wrong. But these absolutely amazing set of earbuds. You're gonna wanna pick some up today. These are fantastic, and I tell you what, if you haven't bought earbuds in a while, here's what you're missing out on. The audio quality is 10x better than it's ever been in the past. The battery is fantastic. Like, you won't believe the battery technology and the advances they've made in these lithium-ion batteries, and everything they're doing nowadays is fantastic. You're going to want to pick these up. You get them on Amazon. You're getting Amazon Prime, free shipping, free returns, A to Z guarantee, and all the goodness that comes from Amazon, all the buyer protections, and just a great, great set of earbuds. So they come in a nice little case. They come with all your accoutrement with them, and these are fantastic. So go ahead and order today. You won't be disappointed. I'm giving these my seal of approval. Best value earbuds on the planet. Best value earbuds on Amazon. You will not be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.